Jose, Samu, I don't see you. Yes,
Hi.
Samu. And Aisha. Taking almonds. See?
Yeah. See?
I think Aisha helps you a lot.
This is ready.
Aisha, stop to eat the almond. Jose? Romale, say something. Say hello to subscribers. This dog is taking all the almonds. See? See, Chiquita? Or Chica? Look. Of course you will have nice fluffy hair. Fur. Because you're eating almond. With a lot of vitamins. Vitamin E, A. Si, senors. Aisha, go.
This is the almond tree, and this is my brother. He is ready with the bag.
Hello everybody.
Yeah, what you have there? Basket, yes, and a lot
The
of...
basket and the bag to collect the almond. And Jose will continue to explain the process.
The process is we put this net near to the tree, and we start to hit the tree with the bark
stick.
that with the stick that is there, and the almond is falling down here. And later we took the almond and we put in the bag, and we are putting with the net is full. We vacuum there in the bag. We need to have long. Normal is good to have a long t-shirt because there is a lot of insects, and to avoid biting, to have this and to have one head for the sun because it's very hot. And this is the process. If you can record here, people can see how is the real almond because it's very different than in supermarket. This is the real almond. Look like this.
Mm-hmm.
Normally in supermarket is clean and everything, but this is the real almond. And what was doing people before and now still there is people that they are usually doing, they need to clean. So the first way is to clean. They do like this and they clean. And this is the almond. And later the almond nut is inside. So let's go to do the test to you to see. This is the almond. We are going to open. Okay, and as you can see, this is the real almond that later in some factory they do procedure and they commercialize. But like, this is the more natural way to eat the almond, and it's delicious.